Hello traders! For today's video, I'm going to share with you how this person turned his $10,000 into $2 million in over 18 months in trading the stock market. What is more amazing is he does this while traveling as a professional dancer. You heard it right. He is not someone who has a strong background as a trader, nor has years of experience in Wall Street as a stock trader. This person is no other than Nicholas Darvas, a professional dancer and self-taught investor. He develops successful trading strategies and writes them in his book. Darvas has strong observation skills and uses them to analyze the market. Now, without dragging the story long, let's dive into Darvas' famous strategies that made him a million. According to Darvas, his strategies can be used in every time frame. Just like most of the trading strategies, his strategies focus on buying at a low price and selling them when the price reaches high. Because of this, his strategies can be used on all markets. However, during Darvas's time, crypto did not exist yet, so he used the strategy mainly in the stock market. Now, let me show you what the original illustration of the strategy looked like. The original strategy used by Darvas consisted of the following: buying 52-week high breakouts whenever there is a significant increase in volume. Then we will need to wait for the pullback from the breakout. After the pullback has been completed, we can draw a box around the high and low of the price action. This is what he calls the Darvas box. Then, as soon as the price breaks above the box, an entry would be made. Now that we are in an advanced time compared to Darvas's, we are going to replicate his strategy with the help of a few indicators. But we will still need to base our trading rules on the original Darvas box strategy. Now let's head over to TradingView and add these indicators to our chart. The first indicator that we will be adding to the chart is the MAVILM W indicator. Navigate to the Indicator Search tab and search for the MAVILM W indicator. Select the indicator made by Kevin C and add it to the chart. Now, let's change the indicator settings. Select the MAVILM W indicator settings and click on the Style tab. We will be changing the second color to blue so that both colors will be the same. That was all that we needed to do. Now let's add the second indicator to the chart. Head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Darvas box indicator. Select the indicator made by Kevin C and add it to the chart. The last indicator that we will be adding to the chart is the WADA-ATAR indicator. Search for the WADA-ATAR Do indicator. Select the indicator made by Cheyenne and add it to the chart. Now let's head over to the WADA-ATAR indicator settings. After that, click on the Style settings. We will be changing the thickness and color of the lines to make them more visible. That was all that we needed to do. By the way, if you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video. Through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $4,153. All right, let me continue. Let's now take a look at how we will be using the indicators. All right. The first indicator that we added will be our trend confirmation indicator. This will tell us what is the current trend of the market. The second indicator, which is the Darvas box, will tell us where the actual box is located. And the last indicator will show us the strength of the trend. Entry conditions. Now that the indicators have been applied in the chart, let's take a look at when to enter into a position. First, the price should be trading above the MAVILM W line. This shows us that we are in an uptrend. Second, there must be a green histogram at the WADA-ATAR indicator. The bar must be seen above the blue dotted line and the white line. Lastly, the candle must close above the Darvas box plot line. This shows us that there is a short-term breakout. Entry and exit signal. Once all of the conditions have been met, we can now put a long position. Put your entry at the candle close. Place your stop loss at the red Darvas box line. If the red line was an unreasonable low, you can put the stop loss at the recent swing low. And for the target, we will use a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. For this strategy, we will close the first half on the 1 times the risk. Once the target has been hit, we can now adjust the target to 2 times the risk. And the stop loss can now be placed at break-even price. Now let's do this on a short position. We need to satisfy these 3 conditions before entering a position. First, the price should be trading below the MW line. Second, there must be a red histogram at the WADA adder indicator. The bar must be seen above the blue dotted line and the white line. Lastly, the candle must close below the Darvas box plot line. Once all of the conditions have been met, we can now put a short position. Put your entry at the candle close. Place your stop loss at the green Darvas box line. If the green line was an unreasonable high, you can put the stop loss at the recent swing high. And for the target, we will use a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio with the same execution with a long position. Back testing. I hope you understand the rules of this strategy. Now let's find out its win rate. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now, here are the results. Look at this chart. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 15-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 20 days with 74% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 21.55% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $1,215.5 in the final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learned more in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. Also, I put my Telegram link in the description down below. You can join my Telegram community so you can be updated on my current affairs. So, as always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video. Goodbye.